Started, there's a few things you need to talk about. So the first thing is that you need to go ahead and download Unity 3D, and in order to do that, you need to go to unity3d.com and download the free version. There are two versions. There's a paid version of Unity, and then there's a free version. We will be using the free version, even though the paid version is actually quite awesome to use, and I highly recommend it that if you're into a lot of game development, that eventually you do consider working up to the paid version. However, this course will be using the free, so go ahead and download that. The second thing is that you can see here that I'm on a Mac, but you can do this course on a PC as well. The best part about Unity is that you can actually go from Mac to PC quite easily. And it's actually quite easy to do this compared to a lot of other editors. And some editors aren't even used on a Mac. So even though I'm using a Mac, you can still do this on a PC. The next thing is the format of the course. So I've been teaching on the internet and teaching in general for quite a long time, and one of the things, that I've been asked, and I've asked my students over and over again, is what they like most. And what they like most is short video tutorials. And it's quite good, because what I like to do is I like to combine a little bit of information in a short 1 to 5 minute video. And in this 1 to 5 minute video, there's again just a little bit of information, and the title of what's going to be in that the title of the video is what's going to be in that video. So 6 months down the road, if you forget something, you can go ahead and just quickly find it in the search in text, and you can go ahead and search it and listen to that. Another good thing about short tutorials is that, let's say we have 10 minutes to wait for a bus, you can knock off 1 or 2 or 3, maybe even 4 tutorials in that short period of time. So it's been quite a bit of success, and I've kept the model ever since. The last thing is that I choose the video resolution that accommodates the most amount of people, whether it's people that are viewing my course on an iPhone, they're viewing it on a tablet, a normal monitor, a big screen TV, or a projector. I have to accommodate everyone. So that I try to choose the best video size for everyone. And without further ado, why don't you go ahead and download Unity 3D if you haven't already, and let's begin the course. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.